The Dharani of Devī Mahakali. Homage to all Buddhas and Bodhisattvas. Thus did I hear at one time. The Blessed One was sitting at the base of the Bodhi tree, shortly after becoming a perfect Buddha. At that point, Devī Mahakali, sovereign goddess of the desire realm, wife of the demon, Yama's sister, circumambulated the Blessed One 3 times and sat to one side. Devī Mahakali then addressed the Blessed One, saying, Honorable One, were I to offer this vidyā in homage at the Blessed One's feet, would the Blessed One please accept my vidyā? The Blessed One replied, Devī Mahakali, the wife of the demon and Yama's sister, will bind beings up through the heaven of controlling the emanations of others. She will bind beings down through the hell realms. She will bind beings out to the surrounding mountains. Her mantra should be recited as follows. Tadyathā, Om Ruru vitiṣṭha, vadhotsi, ruru, roru, vitiṣṭha, vadhotsi, Svāhā. By pronouncing this vidyā, may all fevers, illnesses, plagues, and humoral disorders, as well as all illnesses such as leprosy, boils, skin rashes, and the like, be cured. Svāhā. This concludes the Dharani of Devī Mahakali.